Hi, this is Bill McCoy with ReKey Xpress Locksmith, and today I'd like to talk about a question that came into us last week. An individual bought a key for his car online and wanted to know if we could program it. Well, we do in fact do that. We can program keys. However, my concern is that 70% of the items that are brought to us are the incorrect key or they're already locked to another vehicle. To give you an example, this is a type of a Chrysler Dodge key, and you can order one online that looks exactly like this. The only problem is once this key is programmed into another vehicle, it can never be programmed again. It can be reprogrammed back into the same vehicle, but this key will never work on another Dodge or another Chrysler. There's a number of people that are selling these online for $10 to $15, but they don't work. We can program these. Unfortunately, if they don't work, we cannot guarantee them, and we still have to charge a programming charge. We can provide these keys in a number of cases for less than the cost of just programming it alone. It's also the same with remotes. This is a GM remote. A number of you can look at this and go, wow, that looks just like my remote. It has the remote start button and everything's the same. The difference is, of this GM remote, there are 38 different frequencies that look just like this. I had an individual bring me a remote to be programmed into their 2011 GMC Acadia, and they got it from the dealer. The dealer told them this is the right remote. The remote they brought me was for a 2007 Chevy Cobalt. Needless to say, it didn't work. Again, remember that you're taking a risk when you buy keys online. All of our keys are guaranteed. If we program it in and it doesn't work, we provide you another key, or we don't charge you anything. I'm Bill McCoy with ReKey Xpress, and I'd like to remind you, we can make keys to over 30 different makes and models of cars and hundreds of separate keys.